Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite family word games. This is called Blank Slate. It's so much fun. You can play with 3 to 8 players. I've played with both and it's equally as fun. So basically, it comes with a set of directions. It also comes with a scoreboard, eight dry erase boards, and dry erase pens as well. And then there's 250 double-sided cue cards. So one person is designated the scorekeeper and the card reader. So they pick a card, and then everyone else completes the phrase as they see fit. So everyone has their dry erase boards, and then when everyone's finished writing, you turn it over and you share what people have said. If you have any matches with other people in your group, that's how you earn points. It's super easy to learn, it's super easy to play, and it's fun for all ages. It really gives you insight into how other people think. So you write people's names down with their corresponding dry erase boards, and then as they get points, you fill in the dots, and the first person to get to 25 is the winner. I would highly recommend this for small gatherings or large gatherings. It's really easy to play, and it's a lot of fun looking into the thought process of all your friends and family. It's a great game. I would highly recommend it.